Assalamu alaikum. Inshallah, we'll be showing you how to access your free course. So here we have two courses available. We go to Students. Here we need to create a new account. Now there are three ways to create an account. The traditional way of putting your name, email and password. You can also do it through Facebook and Google. So we're doing it the normal way. Let's create the account. You'll be taken back to the home page now. Now, how do we know that we're logged in? It will say this on the top left-hand side. If we go here to this icon here, we click on it, and here is our details, and then My Courses. And as you'll see, these are the courses at our institute, and you'll notice a lock on them. That's because we have no access to them at this stage. We can also access courses in Course Access. It's the same courses, and it says here, purchase to unlock course. And that signifies that we have no access to them. These are the two courses that are free. These are the course codes that we'll be using. And in this demonstration, we're going to be unlocking this course here. So what we do is we go to purchase to unlock course. We're taken to this page where we're given here to pay by PayPal, more payment options. What we'll do is we'll just add this to the cart and then check out. Now, when we check out, we're given this page. This is a payment page. Over here, you'll see your registered email. And here it has a price. But we want to get this course for free because it's for free. So what we do is we put the discount code and we apply it. And that goes down to 0. So then what we need to do is just simply put in our address. Let's do it here. And then you go complete order. Thank you. Now, how do we get access? It's quite simple. Access student area takes you to the student access page. If we go there, you notice here, the lock is gone. So if we go inside it, we can now access the course. We can choose which lesson that we want to go through. We have books also to download and the different lessons. There's a progress bar as you progress, and you go back and do the same process with this and use this code. Now, if you're interested in studying further, then you will need to purchase the other courses. And we do have lifetime access and 1-year access. Inshallah, you benefit from these courses. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.